This is the brief on the 5 behaviors that kill relationships. When we're constantly on the go, relationships take real effort. And it's way too easy to accidentally slip into these common toxic habits that can destroy your bond. Why do we unconsciously sabotage the relationships we care about the most? Well, first is angrily reacting to criticism. Getting defensive or yelling just sends the message that you aren't open. Treat relationship feedback like a quick software update. It's just there to fix the bugs, not attack the whole system. Find a solution together. Second is disrespecting your partner's privacy. Overstepping boundaries by snooping through phones makes them feel totally suffocated. Everyone needs individual space. Third is bringing yourself down. Constant insecurity and self-deprecation really drain the energy from the room, and it unintentionally pushes your partner away. Fourth, giving ultimatums. Now wait, aren't ultimatums sometimes necessary to set boundaries? Well, sure, for dangerous situations, but using them for mundane issues is manipulative, forces your partner into a corner, and breeds resentment. Opt for a real conversation instead. Fifth is giving the silent treatment. And hey, this is totally different from simply taking space to cool off. The silent treatment is actively refusing to communicate to avoid taking responsibility, which leaves your partner feeling totally unloved and confused. Catching and changing these 5 toxic behaviors definitely takes work, but it is the absolute key to growing alongside your partner and building an unbreakable bond. Keep your communication open, respect those boundaries, and go be the best partner you can be.